none. His father will soon be inducted into the PBA Hall of Fame, the only player to have won the Most Valuable Player Award in his rookie season in the rich 38-year history of the PBA. But now, it is the turn of Kobe Paras, the 16-year-old son of the Tower of Power Benji Paras, to become the toast of Philippine basketball. The young Paras beat Antonio Morales of Spain in the finals to win the gold medal in the slam dunk contest in the 2013 FIBA 3-on-3 Under-18 World Championships held in Jakarta, Indonesia. Kobe wowed the huge crowd on hand with his repertoire of thunderous slams, including one where he soared over teammate Thirdy Ravenna, who was sitting on a motorcycle, before jamming the ball into the bucket. He submitted perfect scores in the eliminations and semifinals, and then outshone Morales in the finals 57-51 to bag the title. PBA fans, a warm PBA round of applause, please, for Kobe Paras!
Congratulations, Kobe Paras, the FIBA 3-on-3 slam dunk champion. There's the proud Papa Bear. Or Benji will claim na siya nagturo lahat. Dribbling, dunking,
yung sayaw daw,
shooting, lahat. Siya Andre's there. Andre Paras is also there. Paras family. Really happy for Kobe. And